Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that has been a real game changer for me ever since I adopted a vegan lifestyle. So I would say that when I first went vegan, for the first 2 years, I rarely ate vegetables, especially raw vegetables. And then I was introduced to Dr. Joel Fuhrman's work. I read his book, Eat to Live, and I learned about the power of eating a high micronutrient diet. So a lot of benefits that I have experienced eating a vegan whole plant food lifestyle has been ever since I did this. So what is one of the main principles of the Nutritarian diet? It is to eat a large green salad every single day. So the average person is very deficient in fruits and vegetables. If you look at the breakdown of the average standard American diet, and a really easy way to get a lot of vegetables in is to eat a big salad. Okay, I'm not talking about a boring green salad that you're not gonna enjoy. The salads that I make are so delicious. I can't get enough of them, and I've been doing this pretty consistently for the last couple years. And it can be a lot of work to chop a bunch of vegetables and make a salad every single day. So what I have found is I will do a salad prep maybe twice a week, and that will get me through the week, and it just saves me so much time and energy. So it's also a really easy way to get the G bombs in: greens, beans, onions, mushrooms, berries, and seeds, or most of them. So I'm going to get going on my salad prep, and I'll just do a voiceover and talk about some things that I think about while I prep my salad. Okay, so I used to do 2 small containers of salad, but I found this massive container. So I have just been putting 1 big salad in here, and this will get me through at least 3 days. And then when I'm prepping my salad, I also like to just do this at the same time. I'll just make a container of chopped vegetables. It's just a really good snack to have in the fridge. So I'm just gonna do that while I'm prepping my salad. So the first thing that I like to do is prep the greens. So today I'm using 2 large heads of kale, 1 purple and 1 green. It's really good to change up your greens every once in a while to get the maximum array of nutrients. Green leafy vegetables are the highest on the nutrient to calorie ratio. So they're literally the healthiest foods on the planet. They provide you with so many nutrients. Everyone could benefit from eating more green vegetables. Now I'm gonna get chopping, and I'm gonna use the salad spinner container to put any waste in there. I always put some sort of cruciferous vegetable in my salad. I really love red cabbage. So cruciferous vegetables, kale is also a cruciferous vegetable. They are really good for preventing cancer. Next, I just put in whatever vegetables I have in my fridge. I really like all vegetables, so I just switch it up. I'm adding some cucumber, some bell pepper, tomatoes. If you're adding tomatoes to your salad, I recommend the baby tomatoes because you won't get the liquid from the tomatoes seeping into your salad. I always add raw onion to my salad. I already had some chopped up in my fridge. These are part of the G bombs, foods that you should eat every day. I've also been loving adding some corn to my salad, so I'm just adding some frozen corn. And next I've got some celery and carrots, and these are also going to go in the chopped veggie container. Next, I always add legumes to my salad. These are also part of the G bombs. So I'm adding some black beans and some chickpeas and giving them a rinse. Then I realized this was not enough beans, so I added another can of white beans. It's really important to add some higher calorie dense foods like beans and nuts or seeds. So I'm adding some walnuts as well. Remember that salad is the main dish, so if you're just adding raw vegetables in there, it is not going to be sustainable. I find that a combination of shaking and stirring is the best way to get the salad all mixed up. Okay, so now I'm going to make a nut-based salad dressing to go with the salad, and this usually lasts a few days, just like the salad. And I usually don't measure the ingredients for salad dressing. For a good salad dressing, you will need a fat, a sweetener, some sort of flavoring, an acid, and a liquid to get it going. And I've made a video about my favorite salad dressings. I'll link it down below. So the ingredients that I'm going to be using today are all right here, and then I'll leave the measurements in the description. So the fat for this recipe is tahini and hemp seeds. So I'm putting this all in a high-speed blender. You could also use a food processor. For the acid, I'm going to use 2 lemons. For the sweetener, I'm using 2 small pitted dates. And for flavor, I have Dijon mustard, garlic powder, and dill. I'm gonna add a little bit of almond milk to get it started. You never wanna add too much liquid though. It's better if you don't add enough, because then you can add a little bit more as you go, just to see how thick it gets. I'm gonna add a little bit more liquid. So now I'm going to assemble a salad meal for myself. So regular bowls are not big enough, so I grab a serving size bowl and I fill it to the top with salad, and a little dressing goes a long way. I also love adding some nutritional yeast to my salad. And for the taste test, turned out really good. I'm telling you, if you make this huge salad and keep it in your fridge, it will get eaten by you and people you live with. People are really drawn to these colorful, beautiful vegetables. Eating a big salad every day for the last couple years has done wonders for my health. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you guys a happy and healthy summer.